अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज है हमारी इंग्लिश की क्लास। तो इंग्लिश की क्लास में सबसे पहले मैडम आपको रीडिंग करवाएंगे। रीडिंग में आपने पेज नंबर ओपन करना है, पेज नंबर 19। पेज नंबर 19 में लेटर एन से हमें रीडिंग स्टार्ट करनी है। नाउ विच लेटर इज दिस? एन सेज नेकलेस, nose, nest, net, needle. What come after N? O. What come after N? O. And O says O. O says O. Orange, octopus, ostrich, otter, octagon. What come after O? P. What come after O? P. And P says P. P says P. Peacock, peanut, parrot, paint, puppy. What come after P? Q. What come after P? Q. And Q says quack. Q says quack. Queen, quill, quilt, quarter, Q. What come after Q? R. What come after Q? R. And R says R. R says R. Run, ring, rope, rattle, rabbit. What come after R? S. What come after R? S. S says snow, man, socks, sun, sandwich, snake. What come after S? T. What come after S? T. And T says T. T says T. T train, T tomato, T tiger, T tree, T treasure. What come after T? U. What come after T? U. And U says O. U says O. Umbrella. Umbrella. What come after U? V. What come after U? V. And V says V says violin, vest, vase, van, vegetable. What come after V? W. What come after V? W. W says walk. W says walk. Water, whale, whistle, watch, window. What come after W? X. What come after W? X. X is box, X-ray, fox, ox, wax. What come after X? Y. What come after X? Y. Y says yo. Y says yo. Yo, yo-yo, yo, yolk, yo, yogurt, yo, yacht, yo, yo-yo, yo, yolk, yo, yogurt. What come after Y? Z. What come after Y? Z. What come after Y? Z. The zigzag, the zeb, the zebra, the zoo. The zigzag, the zeb, the zebra, the zoo. ओके बॉयज़, अब हमारी रीडिंग फिनिश हुई। रीडिंग के बाद है हमने रफ प्रैक्टिस के लिए हमने A to Z के लिए पेज रेडी किया है। इसी तरह आपने मैडम के साथ A सिंगल डॉट पे A to Z राइटिंग फिनिश करेंगे। फर्स्ट हम यहाँ से A से स्टार्ट करेंगे। कैपिटल A इन फर्स्ट 3 लाइन्स, पेंसिल ऑन हेयर, डाउन स्लाइड टच, अगेन डाउन स्लाइड टच and join this A. What come after A? Oh, capital A, small a in center 2 lines, pencil on here, round round round, touch, up down, touch and stop. A. What come after A? B. What come after A? B. And capital B in first 3 lines, pencil on here, down, touch, stop, make it 1 nosy and 2 nosy, small b, A, B. What come after capital B? Small b, capital B, small b, small b in first 3 lines and make its nosy in center 2 lines, A, B, C. What come after B? C. Capital C in first 3 lines, small c in center, two lines. A, B, C, D. What come after C? D. What come after C? D. And capital D in first three lines, down, touch and stop and make its belly. Small d in first three lines, down, touch and stop, make its nosy in center, two lines. A, B, C, D, E. Capital E in first three lines and make its three hand. Small e in center, two lines and make its I. A, B, C, D, E, F. What come after E? F. Capital F in first three lines and make its two hand. Small f in first three lines, make its hand in center line. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What come after F? G. What come after F? G. Capital G in first three lines, round, 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 up, touch, stop, go straight, back, down, touch and stop. Small g in last three lines, down, down, round, up and stop and make its nosy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. What come after G? H. Capital H in first three lines, down, touch, stop, again down, touch, stop and join this. Small h, down, up, round, down, touch and stop. G, H, I. What come after H? I. Capital I in first three lines and make its head small I in center, two lines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. What come after I? J. What come after I? J. Capital J in first three lines and make its head small j in last three lines and put the dot on the top. What come after J? K. What come after J? K. Capital K in first three lines and make its hand in first three lines. Small k in first three lines and make its hand in center, two lines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. What come after K? L. Capital L in first three lines. Small l in first three lines. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. What come after L? What come after L? M. Capital M in first three lines, down, 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 again down, touch, stop, and go slide, touch, again go slide, touch. Small m in center, two lines, pencil on here, down, up, round, down, up, round, down, touch and stop. What come after M? N. What come after M? N. Capital N in first three lines, down, touch, stop, again down, touch and stop and slide and join this. Small n in center, two lines, down, up, round, down. M, N, O. What come after N? O. Pencil on here, capital O in first three lines, round, touch, stop. Small o in center, two lines, round, touch and stop. O. What come after O? P. What come after O? P. Capital P in first three lines, down and make it nosy. Small p in last three lines, down, touch and make it nosy. O, P, Q. What come after P? Q. Capital Q in first three lines, round, 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 touch, stop, make its hand. Small q in last three lines, down, 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 touch, go slide up and make its nosy. What come after Q? R. Come after Q? R. Capital R in first three lines, down, touch, stop, nosy, go slide. Small r in center, two lines, pencil here, down, up, round, stop. What come after R? S. What come after R? S. S. Round, round, slide, round, touch, stop. Small S, center 2 lines, round, go round. What come after S? T. Down, touch, stop and make its head. Small t, down, round, up, make its head. What come after T? U. What come after T? U. Down, round, up, touch and stop. Small u, center 2 lines, down, round, up, down, touch and stop. U. What come after U? V. What come after U? V. V. Capital V, first 3 lines, slide, touch, go slide, up, touch and stop. Small v, down, slide, go down, slide. What come after V? W. Capital W in first 3 lines, small w in center 2 lines. What come after W? X. Go slide, touch, go slide, touch. Capital X in first 3 lines, small x in center 2 lines. What come after X? Y. What come after X? Y. Capital Y in first 3 lines. Pencil on here. Go slide, touch, stop. Go slide, touch. Small x in last 3 lines. Pencil on here. U किधर आप ऐसे आएंगे? Go round, down, up. Again down, round, down. Touch to the third line. Round, touch and stop. What come after Y? Z. Pencil on here. Go straight, slide, touch, go back. Go straight, slide, touch, go back. ये थी हमारी A से Z तक अल्फ़ाबेट. ये देखिए अगेन A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. ये थी आज की हमारी इंग्लिश की क्लास. मैडम को इजाज़त दें. अल्लाह हाफिज़. टेक केयर.